Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to set up Temu dropshipping on Shopify. Temu offers a huge selection of low-cost products, making it popular for beginners who want to test products before investing in inventory. The basic idea is simple. You list a product on your Shopify store, and when a customer places an order, you manually purchase that item from Temu and ship it directly to the customer's address. However, it's important to know that Temu is not a dedicated Shopify dropshipping platform, so most of the process is manual and may not be suitable for building a long-term branded business. Now let's get started. First, open the Temu website or app. Now browse through different product categories and look for products with good reviews, competitive pricing, and strong customer demand. Then choose a product you want to sell. Next, save the product images, description, and important details for your Shopify listing. Now open your Shopify admin and sign into your account. Then go to Products. Here, click Add Product. Now enter the product title, description, images, price, and shipping details. After that, set your selling price by adding a reasonable profit margin while staying competitive. Then organize the product into the correct collection and save it. Next, customize your product page with your own branding and product information instead of simply copying everything from Temu. Now publish the product to your online store. When a customer places an order, go back to Temu. Then search for the same product. Now add it to your cart. After that, enter your customer's shipping address instead of your own during checkout. Then complete the purchase using your payment method. Once Temu ships the order, copy the tracking number. Now return to Shopify. Then update the customer's order with the tracking information so they can follow the shipment. Keep monitoring the order until it is successfully delivered. Remember that because Temu is designed for individual shoppers rather than professional dropshippers, product availability, prices, shipping times, and packaging can change without notice. Many sellers use Temu to test new products in the beginning. Once they find a product that sells consistently, they often move to dedicated dropshipping suppliers or fulfillment partners that offer faster shipping, better inventory management, and branding options. Before scaling your business, always test product quality, delivery times, and customer experience to make sure they meet your standards. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.